Hello! In this video, I show how to import 2D seismic lines from Petrel into Stratoscape. Additionally, I show how to check out a Stratoscape license in Petrel and how to link Stratoscape and Petrel projects. To begin, the first step is to create a new Stratoscape project and link it to Petrel. I have already created the project and I have the Petrel project open, so now I want to link the two. You link them by clicking the Link to Petrel button that you see here. Notice, however, that the button is disabled. This is because we have not checked out a Stratoscape license in Petrel. This short video shows how to check out the license. Notice that once the license is checked out, that the Link to Petrel button becomes active. As further points, you can only link a Stratoscape project if it is empty, and you can only link it to a Petrel project that is not already linked. To link the projects, click the Link to Petrel button. Notice how the Import and Export buttons in the project now become active. To import Seismic, first select the Seismic folder you want to import into. Then click the Import Seismic button on the Petrel tab. When you do, Stratoscape parses the Petrel project, producing a dialog that shows all lines in all vintages. Since this is the first import, make sure you select the Petrel vintage that will become Stratoscape's default version. Here we will select the full stack. When you click the Import Seismic button, Stratoscape reads each file the same way it would if you were importing Seismic from disk and shows the familiar import dialog. Then select one of the lines to see its properties. From here, importing is the same as if you were importing from disk. You will not, however, have to set the version type because Stratoscape creates it for you. You will also find that Petrel conveniently puts the trace header locations you will need in the real header. You also do not need to set the coordinate reference system because it is imported from the Petrel project. Once you have confirmed that the trace header properties have been set correctly, click the Import button and the import begins. It only takes a few seconds. And there you have an imported set of 2D lines. Going back to Petrel, now you see that the Open Stratoscape window right-click menu option is enabled. Click it and a matching Stratoscape window opens. Since this is the first time a line has been opened in the project, you will have to set its display properties, but then you have it. Finally, go to the Windows tab in the Petrel window and turn on Track All Cursors. This enables cursor tracking between Petrel and Stratoscape. Now that the initial Seismic has been imported, importing versions follows the same trajectory as importing versions from disk. Stratoscape automatically matching the Petrel vintage with its appropriate Seismic line. And here is the final imported Seismic with all 4 versions after trimming the line names. So that is how you import Seismic data into Stratoscape from Petrel.